To make this tasty lasagna, you will need 900 grams of mince, 800 grams of tinned tomatoes, 1 egg, 200 grams of mozzarella, 1 chopped onion, 100 grams of tomato puree, 1 tablespoon of honey, 3 cloves of chopped garlic, 8 to 12 sheets of lasagna depending on the size of your pan, 2 teaspoons of basil, half a pint of milk, and 500 grams of cheese. We've gone for some lovely cheddar. First off, you will need to take a large saucepan and put it on the hob. With the hob turned up to a medium heat, place the mince into the saucepan. Then add the onions and garlic and give it all a good stir. Stir the mince regularly for 6 to 9 minutes until the mince is browned. Whilst Mark is hard at work cooking, Julian takes a well-earned break. Once the meat has browned, you can drain the fat off if you're feeling healthy. I don't think we will. Now that the meat has browned, you can add the tomatoes, the tomato puree, the honey. No, Julian, give it to Mark. And the basil. Give it a good stir. Cover the lasagna with a lid and leave it to simmer for approximately 1 hour. Next we're going to make the cheese sauce. You will need 1 saucepan, although it doesn't have to be as big as the previous one. To make the cheese sauce, add cheese. Oh, Julian, he does like his cheese. Then add the milk. Now simmer this over a medium heat until the cheese has melted. 15 minutes before the meat sauce has cooked, put your sheets of lasagna in some hot water. We got our water from the tap. We are now going to build up the layers for the lasagna. We're going to use a third of the meat, then some lasagna sheets, then half of the cheese mixture and some mozzarella. Repeat these steps until you've used all of your ingredients. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Open the oven door and put the lasagna in on the middle shelf. Leave the lasagna to cook for around 20 minutes. Whilst waiting for your lasagna to cook, why not enjoy a board game? Or why not partake of a fine book? Or perhaps engage in a game of sport. Once the lasagna is cooked, put it on a plate. Looks good.